If your phone keeps correcting your words into something completely wrong, you're not alone. The Samsung keyboard's predictive text feature is designed to help, but sometimes it ends up slowing you down or changing your message entirely. This can be frustrating, especially when you're typing quickly or using slang, names, or mixed languages. The good news is that you can turn it off in just a few seconds. In this guide, we'll walk through the exact steps on a real Samsung Galaxy phone so you can stop unwanted corrections instantly. By the end, your keyboard will behave exactly how you want. No more fighting with autocorrections. This is a quick fix, but it makes a big difference in everyday typing. Open Samsung Keyboard in any text field. Start by opening any app where the keyboard appears, like Messages, Notes, or a browser search bar. The key here is to bring up the actual Samsung keyboard, since the settings we need are built directly into it. Once the keyboard is visible, you'll be able to access its controls without digging through multiple menus. This makes the process much faster and easier to follow. You don't need any special app, just any place where you can type. Make sure you're using the default Samsung keyboard and not a third-party one. If everything looks normal, you're ready for the next step. This is where the real fix begins. Tap the settings icon on the keyboard. Look at the top bar of the keyboard and find the settings gear icon. Tap on it to open the Samsung keyboard settings panel. This gives you direct access to all typing-related options. If you don't see the icon immediately, you may need to tap the three dots or expand the toolbar. Once inside, you'll see different sections for typing, layout, and smart features. This is where Samsung controls things like suggestions and auto-corrections. It might look like a lot at first, but we're focusing on just one option. Stay in this menu and move to the next step. Open predictive text and turn it off. Inside the keyboard settings, find the option labeled Predictive Text. Tap on it, and you'll see a toggle switch. Turn this switch off to stop the keyboard from automatically suggesting or replacing words as you type. This is the main feature responsible for those unwanted corrections. Once disabled, your typing becomes more manual and accurate to what you actually enter. You'll still be able to type normally, just without aggressive suggestions. This change takes effect immediately, so you don't need to restart anything. It's a simple switch, but it solves one of the most common typing issues on Galaxy phones.